Happy Sunday. We've got some stuff to review today. A couple announcements. Been working hard trying to get some stuff together. We're going to do our dab. We're going to do some lemon tree crumble in just a couple minutes. Our first announcement that we need to give is for our pop-up classes. We have a pop-up class scheduled in Orlando, and that's going to be on April 13th of 2019. So that's going to be in Orlando on April 13th. I'll get the schedule made, get everything event scheduled and all of that, and get that posted up so that tickets will be available for that. So if you're in or going to be near the Orlando area on the 13th of April, we will be having a microdosing with edibles gummy class. Next, I should probably dab to relax and then do these little announcements. Let's do that. So today we are going to do some crumble. We'll do some lemon tree crumble. And I believe I'm going to use my spinner cap banger. And here's my crumble. That's a pretty crumble. Now I like to do microdosing. So I wouldn't say it's super micro, but it's definitely not macro. So I'm going to put that into my banger here. And then I'm going to put my terp pearl, my little pearl in there, and that'll absorb some of the heat and help distribute it around. And my spinner cap. So I'm going to go ahead and recap my crumble so I don't knock it down. So again, our pop-up class is April 13th in Orlando, and that's microdosing with edibles gummies. The other announcement, I've got some things to show you guys that I've been posting, some teaser pics this week. And this is actually a really huge announcement. Dab first. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to go ahead and heat my sides up. Again, I have an opaque bottom banger with a small microdose and my terp pearl and a spinner cap top. Now I get these at LSD Gallery online, and I usually have a link on my page or under the video to one of them to a starter set. So if you're new to microdosing with dabs or dabbing in the medical community, now I do this for about 15 seconds, and I did the sides first. Now this whistles and sometimes I snort. Okay, just a little bit of terpene there. I need a little more heat. I like to see it bubbling, but not necessarily creating too much vapor yet. Okay. Okay, so that's lemon tree crumble. That one is a True Leaf product, and that's very smooth. And it burns very cleanly, so that'll be very, very easy for me to wipe out with a Q-tip. Sorry, I have a little bit of terp burn in the back of my throat there. Okay, so rather than heating that up a couple more times at this moment, I'm going to go into our other announcement. Our other announcement is that I have been working in the kitchen to develop an at-home gummy kit that I can put on my website for you guys to be able to order. So I have, again, been working. We're going to be offering 3 flavors. Now these are make at-home gummies, but you will be able to, if you choose to make gummies with concentrate, you'll be able to make these gummies at home. And they're shelf stable. You don't have to refrigerate them. So we were going to have lime, strawberry, and berry blue. Now, I like to sugar my gummies. And that's also going to be all included in the directions in the at-home microdosing with edibles gummy kit from 420RX Cruise Canna Crew. So we are going to have those up on our site hopefully by the end of this week. Had to do a few last minute things and get it all taken care of, and then we're going to have some links that y'all can have access to see what I've got available for you guys to see. And it's, again, we're going to do lime, strawberry, and berry blue. We'll end up doing refill kits that have probably raspberry and orange. And as far as the molds are going to be our class molds. So the gummies will be these perfect little cubes that you see people from my classes posting up. Again, by the end of this week, 420rxccc.com, we will have microdosing at home with edibles gummy kits available for order. I hope everyone had a great week. I'm going to go ahead and hit this a couple more times. I'm going to stay on here and do it. If anybody, I don't sell gummies. I actually am selling gummy kits. So whatever concentrate you have, if you have a THC or a CBD concentrate, either one, you would put that into the mixture at the time that would be proper for that. Sorry, my face is very animated. I'm coming to notice lately that I move my eyebrows a real lot. Don't know that I'm going to be able to change that, but I wanted to announce the at-home kits before I sat and went through the rest of my bag here. So a lot's going on in Florida right now. We've got flower coming soon. Like whole flower. It's looking to be quite real. I did pick up a glass water pipe to use with flower, and that was at a local place here in Cape Coral. It's called Up and Smoke in the Cape. Tina is a great hairdresser too. See, she did my hair. All right. Well, I think that's going to conclude my Sunday dab. Let's see. Very nice and cleaned out. And that's it. Easy peasy. Okay. Check us out on YouTube. Check out the website if you're interested in the gummy kits. And check us out next week here, 8 p.m. Hope y'all have a great week. Hope you had a great weekend. Happy St. Patty's Day. Bye.